Bullshit. I'll tell you what though, man. That thing that Rob sent over, it's got touch. Signed up for it. Nobody's logged in for it, but it's like a touch screen. But when your boy's got a remote, dude, let's say I'm Apple TV and I'm doing a little Amazon Fire Stick, and I'm taking my email, but I'm fast. I'm telling you right now, man, I'm fast. I think I'm in like